This is a narrowband frequency analysis plot. Along the x-axis we have frequency or pitch, from low to high. In this case, it's from 0 Hz to 2000 Hz, or 2000 cycles per second. The frequency resolution has been set to 2.9 Hz. The y-axis is the amplitude in decibels at each particular frequency. First, the frequency signature for some broadband noise without any tonal features. And now the same broadband noise with the addition of a 100 Hz hum. This appears as a spike in the signature. And now a 300 Hz tone has been added to the broadband noise signature. And finally, a 900 Hz tone has been added. Adding all three tones at the same time generates multiple spikes. I use the cursor to determine the precise frequency of each tone or spike in the signature. Harmonic cursors can be used to link a series of tones to a single common source. The precise frequency of each tone will be associated with either a mechanical or an aerodynamic feature of specific noise sources. For example, a motor speed, or a gearmesh frequency, or perhaps the blade pass frequency of a fan. This renders narrowband frequency analysis a very powerful tool to diagnose and identify specific sources that are contributing to overall noise levels. The technique can also be used to diagnose and identify plant faults.